Sorry, let's check out the midday edition of NBT World Brief right here on NBT and NBT World. Europeมีสุรพันธ์เหล่าธารณาริศ The Prime Minister says the country remains on high alert over the NIPAH virus outbreak in India, while confirming that no cases have been reported in Thailand. Authorities have stepped up health surveillance to prevent the virus from entering the country. Prime Minister and Interior Minister ANUTIN said Thailand has strengthened its public health surveillance system in response to the NIPAH virus situation in India. The government is applying early-stage COVID-19 monitoring and screening measures to detect potential cases, adding that no NIPAH infections have been reported in Thailand so far. The Prime Minister emphasized that the virus spreads through bodily fluids, such as saliva and nasal discharge, not through airborne transmission like COVID-19, which could spread up to 2 or 3 meters. As a result, the disease is considered less transmissible. People are advised to continue normal daily activities while maintaining basic hygiene practices, including eating cooked food, frequent hand washing, and avoiding handshakes. Fist bumps are recommended to reduce contact with bodily fluids. The infection usually occurs through close contact, such as touching contaminated hands and then rubbing the eyes. There is currently no specific treatment or vaccine, and severe cases can lead to encephalitis. Thailand will closely screen travelers from high-risk countries using strict COVID-19 style measures, while authorities continue to monitor the situation and provide clear public information to prevent unnecessary panic. Thai authorities have intensified health screening at major international airports following a rise in NIPAH virus cases in India, aiming to prevent the disease from entering the country. The increasing number of NIPAH virus infections in India has prompted airports of Thailand and the International Communicable Disease Control and Quarantine Division under the Ministry of Public Health to set up passenger screening points. Screening measures have been implemented at 3 international airports, Suvarnabhumi, Dongmueang, and Phuket. At Suvarnabhumi Airport, thermal scanners have been installed to screen passengers arriving on flights from India. Health officers are also distributing health beware cards to provide information on symptoms and emergency contact channels. Immigration authorities are working alongside health officials to check passengers' travel history over the past 14 to 21 days. Director of Suvarnabhumi Airport, Gittipong Gittikajon, said the measures follow international public health standards, particularly for incoming flights from Kolkata, India, with facilities prepared to support effective disease control operations. Meanwhile, Dr. Nattapong Wongwiwat, Director General of the Department of Medical Services, has designated 3 hospitals, Rachavithi Hospital, Lertsin Hospital, and Noparat Ratchathani Hospital, to prepare for suspected or confirmed cases. The Department of National Parks, Wildlife and Plant Conservation of Thailand has issued new preventive measures for caves and natural tourist sites, stressing that the risk of NIPAH virus transmission in Thailand remains low, while urging tourists to strictly avoid contact with bat secretions. According to the statement of the Department of National Parks, Wildlife and Plant Conservation, or DNP, NIPAH-related viruses have been found in around 10 to 16% of bat populations in Thailand, which is considered normal in natural ecosystems. These viruses pose no danger to humans unless bats are hunted or consumed. When compared with countries that have experienced human outbreaks, including Malaysia, India, and Bangladesh, where infection rates in bats can reach up to 40%, Thailand's risk of transmission to humans or livestock is significantly lower. The department noted that NIPAH-related viruses in Thai bats are usually detected seasonally between April and May. Under the One Health approach, tourists visiting caves or areas inhabited by bats are advised to wear protective equipment, including face masks, preferably N95, eye protection, long-sleeved clothing, gloves, and closed-toe shoes in a bid to avoid contact with bat saliva, urine, or droppings. Authorities stress the key rule: do not hunt, do not touch, do not eat. Tourists are strictly prohibited from handling wildlife, eating or drinking inside caves, or consuming fruit with signs of animal bites. Park officials nationwide have been instructed to enforce dress code screening, install warning signs, and closely monitor bat habitats to ensure public safety. Several provinces across Thailand are stepping up efforts to prevent forest fires, haze, and PM 2.5 pollution by encouraging public participation and strengthening local surveillance measures. Authorities in Lopburi province have mobilized government agencies, local leaders, and volunteers to prevent forest fires in high-risk areas, including the forest surrounding Wat Khao Prangam, a local temple. Officials, village heads, and volunteers in Khao Prangam sub-district of Lopburi spent several hours containing and extinguishing a forest fire in steep terrain under extreme heat. Lopburi Governor Weerapong Rithrod ordered 24-hour monitoring at fire-prone locations due to dry weather and dense vegetation. Fire breaks are being reinforced around temples and nearby communities to prevent flames from spreading. The governor also urged residents to strictly avoid open burning, agricultural fires, and discarding cigarette butts, warning that current weather conditions make forest fires more likely. Anyone spotting a fire is asked to immediately notify authorities. Meanwhile, officers at Doi Pahom National Park in Chiang Mai province are working with Phang, Mae Ai, and Chai Prakan districts, local administrative organizations, and community members to address forest fires, haze, and PM 2.5 pollution. The park is implementing long-term pollution control measures under the Provincial Action Plan and has signed cooperation agreements with local agencies and communities to ensure continuous and effective prevention efforts. Thailand's Customs Department has launched Customs E-INVOICING Plus, a new digital initiative aimed at speeding up import procedures, reducing costs for businesses, and enhancing the country's competitiveness in global trade. Director General of the Customs Department, Pantong Loy Gulanan, said the project will fully digitalize import procedures and improve efficiency across the customs clearance system. The Customs E-Invoicing Plus is designed to support digital trade by allowing import-related documents to be submitted electronically through the Thailand National Single Window platform. The system reduces paperwork, streamlines workflows, and speeds up cargo clearance while ensuring compliance with international standards. It also enables customs officers to verify data in real time, minimizing errors from duplicate data entry and reducing the need to request additional documents, except where necessary for customs control. In its initial phase, the project will focus on finished automotive products and electric vehicles, chosen as pilot sectors due to their complexity and importance to the Thai economy. The move is expected to significantly shorten processing times and lower operational costs for importers. The Customs Department aims to position itself as a trade enabler, promoting smoother, more transparent, and cost-effective international trade, and strengthening Thailand's competitiveness on the global stage. And that's a wrap for our midday edition of NBT World Brief. You can stay updated with the latest developments right here on NBT and NBT World. And for more stories, you can simply scan the QR code on your screen to access our full coverage across all media platforms. Thanks for being with us. Sawadee krap.